When you've managed to distract your mind, whether it's music that does it for you or something, how can we put this, a bit more bizarre, a bit more menial for a little while. You know, I mean, for me, I go to the gym and I can run and you don't have to think about running. Your legs just do it, you know. That's the way we work, we run. And my brain is thinking about other stuff, but part of my brain's got to be thinking about running because I'll fall over otherwise. But I don't actually think, put that foot in front, lean on that foot, then bring that foot up and lean on. You don't have to think about it, you'll just do it automatically. But if you've got music going on and you've got something menial that you're doing, your brain very gently starts to work out the problems. You don't need to think about problems, they will be worked out because our brains are massive things. So if it's distracting you from something and do something menial, it might be mowing the lawn, it might be doing anything, but something where you haven't got to concentrate. Just let something happen, do something menial, and you'll find that the situation that was bugging you won't bug you quite so much anymore. You'll be able to see a way around a problem. You'll see a way of injecting interest into what you're doing if you're not finding yourself stimulated all the time.